Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh and
My name is Ons Azouzi and today we're gonna show you how you can make the best pancake in the world.
first of all we're gonna start by listing the ingredients.
This recipe will make about 10 pancakes. To make these pancakes you need flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, and last but not least you need butter. And now I will let Sheikh show you the steps of making these pancakes.
You will need a bowl, of course, and then you need to pour the flour in the bowl. You need 2 cups of flour. This is the second one. You need to make a hole in the middle so that you pour the milk in the middle. Next, you need to crack the eggs. And now you need to whisk until you have a smooth batter. And then add 2 teaspoons of oil. And then add a little bit of salt and 2 tea cups. And then add just about 10 grams of baking powder. After mixing all the ingredients, you need to put a butter on the pan and heat it up approximately about 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Right now, add just a ladful of batter to the pan and start swirling it to have a nice shape. Check if the underside is cooked and then turn it to the other side. Wait also about 13 or 14 seconds. And this is the final product.
And finally, I hope you liked this video.
It's very delicious.